How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, so let's go over some updates here. So looking at Bitcoin, we want to speak about what happened on the daily candle. So obviously, we still did close bearish here, the daily time frame. Okay. So when looking at this chart right now, see that this was our support. Speaking about this in yesterday's video, it did close below there. Actually created a new low from the previous day. Okay. So what does this mean? Well, this means that we may see more downside. Okay. The market is looking bearish, right? If you look at the weekly time frame, nothing bullish about this, right? But it is respecting these lows. See how it hasn't made a new low. But if we look at the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking at a potential position there. You can see that this is the range that we're working in yesterday, right? If you look at this like this, whenever we close above the zone, we tend to come up. So what I'm expecting is if this candle flips bullish, we could expect more upside back up to 26,000 again. So we'll have to wait and see there. But at the moment, still bearish, right? We haven't broken, taken out this high yet. Need to take out this high at 25,860 in order for this to actually be bullish. Yeah. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. What I would wait for is the 4-hour candle to obviously close bullish. Okay. But yeah, there will be a lot of trades set up today. So make sure you guys do join my live, which is a bit later. Your Bitcoin, not too much happening. I do want to go over Ethereum because I saw a setup. Yeah. Yeah, so this is what I was expecting yesterday. We actually exactly got that. My analysis, I was saying price was probably going to come back down to the zone. That's exactly what we got. So it's quite evident what's going to happen here for ETH. I mean, still stuck in this range. If price somehow breaks above this level here, we need to see a candle close above the zone here, around about 1640. Once we see that happen, then we can look at longs. Yeah. Yeah, we have to wait for that. We need to see a candle close above this level here at 1640. Then we can look at long setups. If we have a look at the 1-hour time frame, yeah, this was a massive fake out, the upside, and then came back down. So this could easily still come back down from this level. But we do need to keep in consideration that let's wait for the next 4-hour candle. Once we get the 4-hour candle closure, if it closes above the zone, then we can look at longs. But if it closes respecting, then we can probably take some shorts back down to this zone here. Okay. Yeah, so Pepe, you guys did join the live stream yesterday. We took those shorts, yeah, and took profit at that level. So let's have a look here. Let's remove everything and look at the pure price action. So like what I like to do, the next day, I like to just remove all my drawings and start from fresh to just see what's happening. Okay. So if we have a look at the daily time frame, right? You can see that price is still expecting this high here. Okay. So we haven't really closed above this high. Okay. This would be our daily level we need to watch out for. Okay. So if price somehow gets above there, we can look at longs. So you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we did actually close above this level. Okay. What is actually happening now is we're forming this downward sloping resistance like this, right? So for Pepe, if price somehow breaks above this zone, we definitely look at some long positions here. Definitely look at some long positions. Yeah, so I'll wait for that 4-hour candle closure, which is happening very soon. Next 1 hour and 30 minutes here. So it still looks good here. I mean, the 4-hour candle close above resistance. Yeah, we could see Pepe come up this zone here at 0.8177. Okay. So potential trade here. Looks good. More on the bullish side a little bit today, the lower time frames. But yeah, we have to wait for the 4-hour candle closure. Yeah, so that's Pepe. I want to go to WorldCoin. Coin pumped a lot yesterday. Yeah, we actually took profit at like 1.158. So after that it comes another 18%. Yeah, we left that in, it would have been okay. But let's have a look here. Have a look at the daily time frame. Huge volume here. This is obviously the resistance that it got tested. Yeah. So we would need to see a candle close back above that zone. Currently at the moment price is still coming down. But let's have a look at the 30 minutes. Yeah, big rejection there. It closes like this. Good look at some sells here. What is this? And the thing is, like, if you had your stop loss above here, it's really, that's like a 1.6 stop loss. Their profit would be here. I mean, there is a lot more downside here. I could potentially take these trades on like a 5x. Down to this low, will be 20%. Here's stop loss. Yeah. Looks good for shorts, to be honest. I want to see how this plays out. Just 1.7, your risk reward. See how that plays out. ZZ. I want to check at Matic. Yeah, Matic, we're looking at buys. Buys above here, beautiful. Really played out. When was this? Would have been such a nice trade. Matic's looking bullish here, to be honest with you. If price breaks above this 4.56, yeah, above this high here, we can look at more longs back up to this level here, 4.5833. Definitely look good. So we'll wait until that. But yeah, I'll send some charts in the Telegram. At the moment, we just need to be patient here. Darkcoin, yeah, Darkcoin made that new low. Wait, I was actually looking at those sells yesterday. I'm pretty sure I didn't actually take them, but I was looking at those sells. There was a lot of sells yesterday. Look at the manipulation. The thing is, like, what actually happened was a lot of people were selling the market, and then because the price was so low, there was a lot more buyers. This year's Bitcoin, you can see that's a very evident trap. So Dogecoin almost hit TP yesterday. So it's still in that trade. The trading and pumps start yesterday. We're looking at, this was the buy zone. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you guys, we just need to be patient there. A lot of coins at the resistance, that support, but this is the ETH setup. We either looking at price coming back down here, or we wait for this 4-hour candle closure, because we need to wait for the 4 hours to either close above the zone or close respecting. XRP hit take profit yesterday, and it's coming down a bit. What's happening with Bitcoin? Yeah, I think WorldCoin's gonna come down today. Filecoin. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, we took these shorts yesterday. I did. At around about 9 o'clock last night, and I took profit already. Yeah, I mean, today it's some coins are looking bearish, some coins are looking bullish. Price is coming down now. We just have to be careful. Yeah, we have to wait for the next 4-hour candle closure. So obviously, let's wait for that. And then obviously we have news a bit later today. Yeah, unemployment claims, Hoppers 4. Yeah, it's a big day. That was one forex trade. Yeah, comp. Not much happening here. Yeah, there's just not much happening at the moment, to be honest with you guys. So what I'll do is I'll post some setups in the Discord and the Telegram, because there's not much we can do here. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It was a short one, just looking back at Bitcoin quickly before we end this. Yeah, so Bitcoin waiting for that 4-hour closure. Okay, so it's important just to be patient here, because at any point in time this can still flip bullish, right? Because we've closed above this resistance here, and this could definitely flip. Okay, I'm expecting price either to just carry on to the upside here. We'll see what happens. Okay, yeah, that's the video today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I'll see you later for the live stream.